up, you guys? It's your girl Victoria, and today I'm back with another video. As you can see by the title, this is another affordable synthetic hair review. Now I'm about to show you everything. This was a long process doing this hair, but I don't want to get into too much details into this intro, so yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so like I said, this is a hair review on a company called, and I'm not sure if I'm saying their name right, but I'm just going to show you the bag in case. Kalyss, something like that. You guys know that I like to do pros and cons when I'm doing hair reviews, and I always start off with my cons first, so let's get into that. Alright, so the cons of this hair is that it is a 26 inch, and I feel like that is a little too long for this type of hair texture because it gets so knotty at the end that I was forced to cut the hair at the end. Like, I cut it up to like my boobs, and yeah, it was so knotty after like 2 days because I did receive it 2 days ago. And I wanted to wait until, you know, I wore it or whatever the case may be. I've never worn like red hair this red. I've done red hair to the roots before, but this is something extremely different. Another con is shedding. It's synthetic hair sheds, so I mean, it's really not a con. I wouldn't really list it, but if you guys would like to know, it does shed. Another one, this is my biggest con. Okay, it's synthetic hair. You guys know we like to rock human hair. We want to curl our hair. We want to do everything. But let's say you're having a hard time and you just need to like hurry up and throw something on your head, put it in a ponytail, or give you some braids or something like that. You can't do that with a 1-inch parting space. Now, I did go in and add powder so that it can at least look a little bit natural. But yeah, I need 13x4 parting space or a 4x4 parting space. I don't need an inch. It's like an inch all the way, an inch width, but it's all the way to your ear. But you can't really do nothing with that. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that. That's my biggest con. So I'm pretty sure that's it. This package came in earlier than when it was expected. Yeah, so let's get into the pros. The pros of this company is they have lots of colors. Like, I love these colors. I love to try something new, and this is my first time trying something as bold. I did do a video before on a bob from Ataz Wigs. I'll leave the link somewhere up here, and I'll leave it also in the description box. And it was a copper light, and that was all the way to the root. So that was different for me, but this is really different for me, but not too much different because I've done this look in high school, just not as bright. Red hair always makes me look like I have a tan. So if I look orange, you guys, it's not my makeup. It's actually the hair that's making me look this way, and it does it all the time. Another pro about this company is the hair came faster than it was supposed to. I love when hair comes in earlier than expected. I won't have to wait as long. Another one of my pros is this bag. I'm loving this black and this silver. I'm loving this. Even though, you know, the bag, if you bend it too much, it leaves dents. I love it. I love it either way. So their company is really like worldwide, international, all of that. I also love the fact that they have a transparent part because when the wig came in, I got to actually see what color it was. I think that's cute. I'm going to put a piece of hair in there so that you can see like how it came. So yeah, you can see that's actually how you can see through it, and you also can see through the bottom. So I think that's pretty cute and cool. Another pro is this doesn't have any smell. You know, human hair usually has smells. I've had a couple of synthetic hairs that have smells, and this one doesn't have a smell. So that's a pro. Communication is the key to everything in life, and guess what? They communicated with me. I think they have the best communication by far from the companies that I've worked with. So communication was nice. What else? Oh, this wig, let's go back to the pros. I mean, let's go back to the cons. We gotta go back to the cons. Let's rewind that. This wig is not big head friendly. I'm telling you guys now, this wig is not big head friendly. I consider myself to have big head. It has adjustable straps, and guess what? You guys won't need to use them because this is already too tight on my head. Besides all of that, I will leave all their information below. You guys should check them out. I see a lot of people wear their purple wigs, and I think that is so cute. I wish I can partner with this company again to show you guys some more colors. Stay tuned for more hair reviews, and